Thank you for choosing this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you'll be able to make money online by earning $10 a day on Google. So I will take you through two best ways that you can earn money on Google daily. Every day, you'll be able to earn about $10 a day and over. So the first thing that I'll talk about is what blogging. Now, blogging is whereby you write an article and then you put it on your website. Okay, that is the blogging that I'm going to talk about. So if you have been observing, anytime you go to any website like Ghana Web and Zion Felix and other platform GH page, you'll be noticing that you see as you flip up and down, you'll be seeing some adverts running on those websites. This is how these people make money through the blogging. Okay, so you can also make money by just writing an article. So all they have to do is to just get a website. You can create your own website using WordPress and other platform that you can use to create your own website. Now, after creating your own website, all what you have to do is to just get trending information. You can write about entertainment, you can write about tech, all the trending issues. Just write these articles and upload it there. So how are you going to get money through this blogging? All what you have to do is to just allow AdSense to put their ads on your articles that you have been posted on your website. So all what you have to do is to just apply for AdSense. Okay, that is monetizing your website. You have to apply for AdSense. Then AdSense will be placing ads on your blog or on your articles that you have been posted, and through that you are going to earn money through the adverts that people are going to click on your website. Now, another way that you can also make money through Google is by creating content, and it's one of the best way that you can make money on Google. If you go to YouTube like this, you see that if you decide to watch a video, sometimes you see an advert playing before the video play, or in between the video, or at the end of the video. So this is one of the ways you can also earn money through Google, because if you have a YouTube channel and you start uploading your videos on it, you get to the requirement where you'll be allowed to monetize your videos on YouTube. And before you monetize your videos, you need to have an AdSense account. So after getting the AdSense account and your video is being monetized, or your channel is being monetized, Google is going to pay you daily. Okay, so every day you are going to earn money from Google, and this money is going to be paid to your bank account through the Google AdSense. So these are the best way that you can make money through Google, by blogging and by creating content on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. If today is our first time, don't forget to like, hit on the subscribe button and hit on the bell, so that anytime I drop a video like this, you'll be notified. See you. Bye bye.